Drought and Rain is probably the most unusual and the most precious and certainly in some ways the most fragile program in this year's festival. The subject matter is quite fragile. It's not a direct or definitive narrative. It's a very beautiful, ambiguous piece of work. But what I think it does, and I think it does very touchingly, is it tells us about what is lost in the devastation of war.
This piece is not to talk about the violence also, but it is about the memory. So this memory is very personal because it is in the person which will be on stage. And this one went to the front with their songs. And I feel that very strong, yeah, and beautiful.
To hear these old women talking in very simple terms, showing their acts of kindness and simplicity and sharing their humanity with us is very powerful and very moving.